asterisk, asterisk. I now call all of my energy back to me. From every place, person, situation, and timeline where I left it, I reclaim my power, my peace, and my divine glow. I release all energy that no longer serves my highest good. Only love, respect, and aligned intentions are allowed in my space. My energy is sacred. My heart is open, protected, and overflowing with love. I am magnetic to healthy love, divine union, and soul-aligned connections. The love meant for me finds me effortlessly and stays with ease. I stand in my queen power whole, healed, and radiant. My energy is restored, centered, and flowing only toward love. And so it is